Okay, today we're changing a water filter on a GE refrigerator. So the water filter in most fridges, but not all, is generally in this upper right hand back corner. You squeeze on these two tabs, the lid hinges down. Here's your filter. The filter hinges down. Turn it to the left and pull out. That's your old filter. Ideally, change these every 6 months. And here's the model number of this particular filter. So again, this is a different manufacturer, but it fits this GE fridge. It's less expensive than the GE filter. And you'll notice there's a large hole and a small hole, so the filter can only go on one way. You grab a new filter, make sure it's the same. Line up the big and small hole. Push it in, turn it all the way to the right. Goes back up. And the last thing you want to do is make sure you dispense a couple cups of water. The first couple cups of water you want to dump out, just to make sure there's no residual carbon black dust in the water, and then you're good to go. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.